Welcome home. Spatchcock Funk, making one of our favorite home done dishes. These are our take on the BLT. Not just any BLT, the BoomBox BLT, because it's loud, strong, it's just how we get things done. So the BLT typically has bacon, check. Lettuce, we got that over there. Mayo, we got a special one to show you later. But the ingredient, really the star of it, is the tomato itself. Now, what we're gonna use today, though, is a take from the great Dinosaur BBQ. We're gonna make their fried green tomatoes as kind of the star of this dish. So a green tomato, basically, is like a regular red tomato, except it was plucked after it grew up, but it got a little cold, or plucked before it got ripe. So it's a little bit firmer, a little bit stronger, like some tomatoes are firmer and stronger than others, if you get what I'm saying. And a little bit tart, too, and I can be a little tart sometimes. So that's gonna be the star of it. So to get your tomato ready, here's what you do. Take a tomato corer and first pop the top off, because you know we like popping tops off, any top, and then core it right out. Once you've got your core out, get rid of that. What you want to do is you want to cut the ends off, because we don't want as much of that skin as you normally might in other things. Like you can use this in salsas and stuff, but get rid of that. And then you're going to want to cut it into 1/4-inch slices. Once they've been sliced, take some paper towel, take each ring and press it with a paper towel and get some of that excess moisture off. You're gonna see kind of the moisture come through. So do that with all your tomatoes. Now, once you've got that set up, we are gonna generously sprinkle some Creole seasoning on each side. We've got 2 eggs and a dash of ground black pepper. So we are going to really get that into the egg mixture. Then we're gonna drop it into some panko bread seasoning. So we have 4 cups of panko seasoning, 4 teaspoons of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, mixed evenly. We're gonna press it down on both sides and really get it good and coated. Then we're gonna put it onto a wire rack. I'm gonna put that in the fridge for at least a half hour, let the breadcrumbs set. Now it's time to fry up some bacon. And we are gonna use, as you always should in a sandwich, don't skimp, thick cut bacon. Now on the same surface with the bacon, we have all that bacon grease. We add a little bit more vegetable oil because we're gonna create a bit of a pool because we're gonna fry these beautiful babies on both sides. So they're out of the fridge. I'm gonna lower them on. We're gonna do it 3 to 4 minutes each side. Now they're gonna look beautiful, fried green tomatoes. We're gonna get those next to our bacon, so we've got them. Anytime something comes off the skillet when you're frying it, you're breading it, always hit it with a little salt afterwards. Yeah, we've got everything ready here. We got our bacon. Now you can use turkey bacon, faking bacon, it doesn't matter. Our tomatoes, and what we made was a sesame honey mayo. Beautiful, simple, easy to use. So while we're getting this old BLT ready, the BoomBox BLT, let me tell you, when I was a kid, I saw on TV that Fried Green Tomatoes, the movie, was gonna show. I was so pumped. 2 hours of fried green tomatoes. It's about 2 women in a nursing home talking. Good movie, I like women, like nursing homes, but not as much as I like fried green tomatoes. So we're gonna put 3 good pieces of romaine lettuce, get some of that cool crunch on there. Then we're gonna take 3 tomatoes, put them right on there, and then 3 big, thick pieces of bacon. We're gonna take our top of our bread and take this mayo sauce and evenly, kind of generously get it all across the top. The BoomBox BLT, Dinosaur fried green tomatoes, bacon, goodness. Spatchcock Funk, your next lunch, booming. Thanks for watching. You want more dope drinks, strong cocktails, killer stories, great parties? Subscribe now, Spatchcock Funk.